there's Lucy. You know, all of her weird wisps. She's usually pretty mean. This is new. She's all flopped over, if you can see, and really doesn't care. Maybe if I pet her further the wrong way, she'll react like she usually does. What are you doing to my hand? That's my thumb. Oh, you're gonna use my hand as a pillow? I didn't say you could do that. Ah! What are you doing? Let go of my hand, please. Ow! Give it back. Ow! You hurted me. See, she was all cute and quaint and like drew me in. Ow! That's my hand. Ow! What, Lucy? I don't appreciate that. Just want to love you. Whoa! If I move around? Yeah, see? That's better. There isn't any biting in this part. I like it when you're nice. Unfortunately, that hardly ever happens. Because you're like, whatever, bitch, I don't care. See what I have to live with? This lump? This grouchy lump. Yeah. I think I'm bleeding, thanks to you. It's all thanks to you, Fuzzy Butt. She only tolerates me on camera. But in real life, she is a turd. What? That's not a nuzzle, that's a... Stop it? Don't bite. Maybe it's my fault for messing with her. But really, I'm just loving on her. She should have learned that I'm this attached. You're gonna fall off the bed if you're not careful. I love you.